My Accounts is where you can get all the information related to your specific installed base. When we come here, you can see when your subscription expires. You can see My Installations, where you can look at your specific installations, and you can see any products that you favorited. If I come into this My Installations, select a specific device, it gives you the specific information for that one. You can download its digital twin, which is all documentation relating to that device. It gives you the serial number, the location, direct access to the product page, the lifecycle planner. If your device has it, you can also get the service history of the device in there as well, and condition monitoring reports if it's a device that's condition monitoring enabled. You can register a product, so if you come here and My Installations doesn't have all your devices, you're able to register the product, popping that information in there to request that that device be added to your account. We have My Reports, so anytime you do one of our checklists, the commissioning or troubleshooting, or a site report, it will appear in here where you're able to view, download, or delete that report. My Cases shows you your case history created about from within My Measurement Assistant that's shared with your local support teams. You can see what the case you submitted was and come back to them. As you can see, the status and everything available here, what's open, what's closed. And finally, My Sites. In My Sites, you're able to get a deeper view of any sites that you're associated with. So it might just be one, or if you manage multiple sites, you'd have multiple coming up here. You can do a product tree breakdown of your devices, going and looking at each one and seeing what you've got there. When I come back to the main site, I can look at our site details as well, which gives me an overview of the site. I can download a PDF that gives me the site summary, and then I have this installation view again, where if you've only got a couple of devices, you can see them there. If you've got a lot, you might want to filter it based on a specific product that you're interested in. When you do get to that level, you can also click the view and it takes you to that same product information page that we looked at earlier.